Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by protecting your system and opening the right tools. First, back up the registry so you can undo changes. Once done, open Settings Personalization taskbar and note current behavior. This keeps you aware of defaults. Next, run regedit and go to HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /advanced. You're doing this because Windows 11 UI doesn't expose a smaller size. Now you'll change the value that actually controls size and then apply it. Create or select taskbar C as a Word 32-bit and set it to 0 for a smaller taskbar. 1 is default medium, 2 is large. Make sure you save the change. Registry edits don't take effect until Explorer reloads. To apply immediately, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer and choose Restart. Once done, the taskbar will shrink. This method works because Explorer reads that registry value at startup. Finish by confirming the change and knowing how to recover if needed. If the taskbar didn't update, sign out or reboot because some shell settings load only at login. To revert, set taskbar C to 1 or delete the key you added. That returns defaults. If you can't edit the key, make sure you ran regedit as administrator and that the registry permissions permit changes. If Explorer freezes after edits, restart it again or reboot. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.